Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect remotely from one machine to another machine. See, these two are my laptops, each are connected to a single Wi-Fi router, I mean a single network. If you go to this first machine and type cmd, you will get ipconfig. Just type this command ipconfig. I opened the CMD by typing Windows plus R key and it opened run, and there I typed CMD. Then in the command prompt I typed ipconfig and I got this network connections prompt. Here you see the Wi-Fi connected to is 192.168.0.2. So come to the second machine and open CMD. You see, and type the ipconfig command here. It has multiple networks, but see the Wi-Fi adapter, and 192.168.0.6 is this adapter IP address, and this one is 192.168.0.2. Now in my second laptop, just type Windows R and type mstsc and click OK. It opens like this. Here you type 192.168.0.2 and click enter. See, when I click OK, I got this username password prompt. In that mstsc, just type Kiran, I mean the password of that. So once it's connected here, this machine got locked. Okay, and I have access to the screen of that machine here in the second screen. I can use that machine, or if I want to go to my main laptop, I can just minimize that and I can open again and work. I can turn off, do any work or anything from here. I can even shut down the machine from here. In Windows 7 it is disabled. I can just log off. From Windows 10 onwards I can shut down. In Windows 7 if I want to shut down, I can do it from command prompt by this one. It will shut down the remote machine also. But let's say if I just close this RDP connection, it will just disconnect the machine. And the main laptop is still in the locked state. It's not shut down. So here is the thing you need to understand. If you want to shut down the main laptop, you need to run the shutdown command inside. If you just disconnect, it will just disconnect the machine from here. And again, whenever you want, you can just log in again. So the machine is still running. So people are in the assumption that if I close it, it will get shut down. No, it won't shut down. It will just disconnect. Okay. So if you want to shut down that, type Windows R and type shutdown command. Then you see here also it's getting shut down. Okay, this is the main laptop I have connected remotely. Okay, so if you are connected to any cloud machines on AWS or Azure, do a shutdown command like this, or just shut down from the Amazon Web Console at least once you disconnect.